Let's start with assessment. Using tools like the Leibowitz Social Anxiety Scale, Generalized Anxiety Disorder Scale, and Beck Anxiety Inventory, PsyTechVR makes the evaluation process smarter and more efficient. Once the questionnaire is completed, PsyTechVR analyzes responses, measuring anxiety, phobias, and other symptoms. At the end of each questionnaire, therapists have access to a detailed explanation, ensuring that even if it's a new questionnaire, they can easily understand its purpose and structure. Therapists can then review individual response statistics, where they'll find anonymized user data, the time the questionnaire was completed, the overall score, and, most importantly, a breakdown of scores for each individual question. Additionally, therapists can explore broader statistics, including question summaries, which provide detailed insights such as the weighted average for each response. This robust system ensures that every detail is captured and presented in a meaningful way to support informed decision-making. PsyTechVR's questionnaire platform is fully HIPAA and GDPR compliant, offering secure and reliable data management. In 2025, PsyTechVR will take this to the next level with the launch of pre- and post-assessment tools. These tools will revolutionize how users interact with questionnaires, introducing a completely new design while maintaining the same evidence-based approach. This innovation will provide deeper insights and streamline the assessment process for both therapists and clients. Integrated with CoreAchieve LMS, our system not only supports these established assessments, but also introduces AI-driven, conversation-based questionnaires. These create a natural, responsive experience for clients.
By achieving goals through hard work, maintaining strong relationships, and emphasizing collaboration and communication.
Based on assessment results, the therapist uses evidence-based CBT principles to design immersive VR therapy tailored to each client's unique needs. With PsyTechVR, we've introduced AI capabilities that allow therapists to create highly specific and personalized VR exposure scenarios. The therapist operates the session seamlessly using a computer, while the client immerses themselves in the VR experience through a wireless headset. This setup eliminates the need for cumbersome cables, providing clients with a comfortable, unrestricted experience. Using a simple text prompt, the AI generates a realistic and adjustable exposure scenario within 30 seconds. For example, a therapist can create an initial low-intensity exposure for a client with contamination fears, such as standing near a slightly untidy space. By adjusting the prompt, the therapist can then gradually increase exposure intensity, introducing a more challenging scenario, such as touching a visibly dirty surface. This step-by-step approach follows CBT's proven methodology for reducing avoidance behaviors and increasing tolerance to anxiety triggers. The system also empowers therapists with a PC-based interface to make real-time adjustments during sessions. By increasing or decreasing the intensity of the scenario, therapists can help clients stay within their optimal therapeutic window, engaging with their fears without becoming overwhelmed. The AI Exposure Creation tool offers an unparalleled assistant to craft exposure practices from scratch, tailored to the needs of each client. Whether you're working with OCD, phobias, addiction, or trauma, this powerful AI tool can create any exposure scenario you need. Imaginal exposure often relies on the client's ability to vividly imagine scenarios, which can be challenging for many. With PsyTechVR, however, the AI transforms this process, generating highly realistic and customized exposures in just 30 seconds. These tailored exposures not only enhance the client's engagement, but also ensure a more accurate and consistent therapeutic experience. By providing immersive, controlled environments, the AI helps therapists effectively implement graded exposure, reduce avoidance behaviors, and facilitate emotional processing, all key components of CBT. This precision allows therapy to progress faster, helping clients face their fears, build resilience, and achieve meaningful breakthroughs in their recovery journey. PsyTechVR's advanced modules guide clients through environments designed to target specific anxieties or phobias. Real-time biosensors integrated into the platform track physiological responses, such as heart rate variability and breathing patterns. This feedback enables therapists to monitor client progress during the session, ensure safety, and support emotional regulation through guided breathing exercises. Every PsyTechVR session embodies the core principles of CBT, collaborative treatment, structured progress, and measurable outcomes. This ensures a controlled and effective therapeutic experience that not only helps clients confront their anxieties, but also builds long-term coping skills. The Safe Place exercise is a cornerstone of CBT-based relaxation and grounding techniques. PsyTechVR offers an AI-powered Safe Place tool that allows therapists to create fully personalized and immersive relaxation environments tailored to each client's unique needs. Whether it's the calming waves of a Hawaiian beach, the surreal tranquility of a moon base overlooking Earth, or the soothing charm of a forest lake with a cozy cabin at sunset, the possibilities are endless. Each Safe Place can be saved to the system, making it instantly accessible during therapy sessions. This feature is invaluable during VR exposure therapy, allowing therapists to seamlessly transition clients from a high-anxiety scenario to their safe place for emotional recovery. The quick and smooth transition is powered by PsyTechVR's high-performance engine, compatible with Windows and Mac laptops, as well as professional desktop setups, ensuring accessibility in any therapeutic setting. During the Safe Place experience, therapists can incorporate evidence-based techniques such as guided breathing exercises. PsyTechVR provides 14 types of breathing exercises with 3 customizable visualization options: box, line, and circle breathing, designed to regulate physiological arousal and promote emotional grounding. These tools align with CBT principles by helping clients develop self-regulation skills that can be applied both in and out of therapy. Additionally, the therapist can enhance the Safe Place experience by integrating mindfulness meditation. Using PsyTechVR, therapists can create tailored voice-guided meditations and overlay them with music from an extensive library of calming sounds. This approach reinforces present moment awareness, a key element of CBT, and encourages clients to engage with their inner sense of calm. PsyTechVR's versatility makes it suitable for both in-person and telehealth sessions, allowing therapists to deliver consistent, high-quality care regardless of location. In this video, we're starting with a phobia of heights, focusing on the first exposure scenario. Viewing the height from a balcony, the therapist uses the computer to fully control the client's VR experience, guiding their movements forward, backward, left, and right. What the therapist sees on the computer screen is exactly what the client experiences in virtual reality. As part of the gradual exposure process, we increase the intensity by transitioning to the next scenario. After completing the initial assessment, the therapist selects the second exposure, standing on a skyscraper. Before proceeding, a stress assessment is conducted to measure the client's readiness for the next step. In the skyscraper scenario, the client experiences the sensation of height from a higher floor, overlooking the city below. This gradual increase in exposure challenges the client's fear in a controlled and safe environment. The therapist can actively guide and adjust the client's experience in real time, ensuring progress is made while maintaining the client's comfort and safety throughout the session. Every PsyTechVR session embodies the core principles of CBT, collaborative treatment, structured progress, and measurable outcomes. This ensures a controlled and effective therapeutic experience that not only helps clients confront their anxieties, but also builds long-term coping skills. This capability ensures that clients can access their safe place whenever they need it, whether they are in the clinic or participating in therapy remotely. By combining relaxation, grounding techniques, and emotional regulation tools with seamless integration into exposure therapy, PsyTechVR empowers therapists to provide a holistic and CBT-compliant therapeutic experience that supports recovery, resilience, and long-term well-being. With PsyTechVR, clinicians have a powerful tool to deliver evidence-based care that adapts to each client's needs, creating a path toward meaningful and sustainable recovery. After each VR session, PsyTechVR automatically generates a detailed report, accessible to therapists through a secure, web-based dashboard. These reports are stored in full compliance with HIPAA and GDPR, ensuring data privacy and security. The reports provide valuable insights, allowing therapists to track client progress over time and adjust therapy goals as needed. By reviewing these reports together, clients and therapists can discuss achievements, identify areas for improvement, and fine-tune exposure scenarios to support a more effective and personalized recovery journey.